I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here today with Kelly Stauffer of Chillicothe Fine Arts, and we're here to talk to Kelly about her fantastic space that she has near downtown Chillicothe and all of the wonderful programming that she offers for children. So thank you so much for joining me, Kelly.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. So tell me about Chillicothe Fine Arts and kind of the highlights of what you offer for children and how you got started and all of those great details.
Okay. Well, I grew up loving art, loving music, loving all of the arts, and my family made sure that I was exposed to all of the arts, and that's how I spent my free time. So it's always been a dream of mine to just be in a space, in a place with people. I don't care what age, and just experience art and enjoy the process. I've been in existence, maybe not this location, but I've been around for 20 years, and I've done art and music my whole life. So it's my joy, it's my love, this is my happy place.
And I first met you through Kindermusik when my oldest was a baby, and so that's how I first got to know you and what you do, and that's something that you still offer, right?
Yes, Kindermusik is a big, important part of what I do because Kindermusik is actually an early childhood program that develops the whole child, and it uses the two strongest components in learning, and that's movement and music. They're so powerful, and parents come with the children. It's focused on ages birth to age 7, and the parents learn right along with the children things they're probably doing already at home and as a family, but they're learning how powerful those are and how they can really enhance the child's growth as they play together at home and go through life together.
Sure.
And we give them lots of resources. So that's the foundation of, in my opinion, the foundation of education, and then everything else I do kind of grows out of that.
We still have some of our books and
Awesome.
little shaky eggs, and then there might have been a scarf or two in there too. So yeah, definitely some great foundational things.
Yeah.
In addition to Kindermusik, what are the other great programs that you offer for children?
Okay, well, I offer private lessons after and small group after Kindermusik. So starting at age 8, clear on through adulthood. I can do private lessons for a variety of instruments. Voice is what my degree is in. And then I also offer art programs, art and play for parents and children, and then art clear on up through adulthood. And I incorporate other art teachers, and I also offer art parties.
Well, that's wonderful. And you mentioned earlier when we were talking about being a school, right? Can you speak a little bit about that?
Yes, so I am Chillicothe Fine Arts. I'm in an academy. I would describe my school as a supplemental school. So a school that supplements whether you're in private school, public school, or whether you're homeschooled. There are things that we do here and resources that we have here that can really help a parent at home provide the opportunity for their child to experience all different kinds of media, all different kinds of rich sounds and instruments and music from around the world throughout history. And one of my favorite quotes is, "Leave the mess with me."
I love it.
So we come in here, we make a mess, we explore, and it's just more than you might have in your cupboards at home.
Absolutely. Well, Kelly, thank you so much for joining us today, sharing a little bit about Chillicothe Fine Arts. I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's a wonderful place that we have in our community, especially like you said, offering of all different ages and all of the wonderful things that you can learn and grow through art and music, and like you mentioned. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.